Hello, so this is the home view of the Android TV box. So we'll be sharing on how to clean up some cache or residual data to have a smoother performance of the app. So for example, so here is my box. So in here, in clearing some cache, so we go to settings, and then in settings there is apps, and then see all apps. Then in this view you can select what app you have you'd like to clear data. For example, in this Philly TV, so there is the clear cache data, clear data and clear cache data. So we can select those to clear it, and then there's option all this data will be deleted permanently. So I think this is not the correct option, since this is the data for the accounts, databases, etc. So cancel that and move to clear cache data instead. So we'll select that one, and then it says clear cache. So we choose okay, and then so cache is reduced to just a KB size. And also if you go to by the way, you can select all the apps that has uh, that has some cache here that need to be cleared. So you can select that one, or you can go to my apps and there's a clean up. So clean up, yeah, so you can just select that one and see. So that's well supposed to clean everything in the uh, folder for the whole TV box. So we need to verify that one and check see all apps, and then so YouTube, so cache has been lowered to KB size. So this is a simple tip for everyone, and hope it can help. Thank you.